Hi everybody. Today we're going to Mount Baker Railroad hike.
Trail.
So Mudit,
We're just
Prakash and Janet.
there we go.
All right.
Uh,
Hey guys, we're ready to go hike this railroad grade.
in Park Butte.
Yeah. So we're waiting for our friends here, ready to go. This is the trail that we're going. The first one, Butte Lookout and railroad grade. Notice board over here shows the map.
हामी जहिले पनि पढ्छौँ जो पढ्दै राम्रो भयो अब नयाँ मान्छे जोइन गरेको होइन गोल्स फर्स्ट सेफ्टी रिटर्न टु द ट्रेल हेड हेभ फन एन्जोय कम्पनी दिस कम्युनिटी अफ हाइकर्स लर्न समथिङ न्यू एन्जोय फर इक्जाम्पल माउन्ट बेकर नेसनल पार्क द क्यास्केड्स let's protect this earth from for many generations to come. Leave no trash behind. Two ekdam important. Leave no trash behind. Right?
At 8:21. All right, this is the first breeze that we're gonna go past today. Prakash is really excited here. Do you guys remember his dance last week? Mr. Mudit and Lokendra are talking about life in Dangadi here. Dangadi को गोदावरीमा के भएको थियो कुरा हुँदैछ
डेटिङ साइट र त्यही
अँ
कुलाई एक्सपिरियन्स वाला दुईजना यहाँ अगाडि म
we just hit half-mile mark.
5 mile.
Yeah, already starting walking on the sun. Look at this big mountain with snow. Really lovely, really amazing mountain. Krishna, how are you feeling today?
Excited.
Excited? And we're walking on this little rocky beach. Let's finish 1 mile. Go. You khalda. Lost this little breeze over here. Everyone is busy taking videos, photos. I think it's a stream coming from the glacier. Going uphill and then downhill and then flat.
बुढालाई लट्ठी चाहियो अरे हो बुढेसकालको सहारा छोरी पनि ल्याएनन् अब यही लट्ठीको सहारामा बाँच्ने भयो.
Look at how tall these trees are.
How do I?
Yeah, well, guys, we just hit 2 mile. 1.5 mile more to go. Beautiful cascade. This amazing view. Snow-capped mountain. Really big. Amazing view here. Blue sky. Mr. Gagan. Going downhill now. Wow, look at this beautiful mountain. Really amazing. त्यही there.
ज्वालामुखी निस्क्या
मञ्जुश्रीले काटेको डाँडा पनि होला कतै.
त्यहाँबाट पानी आएको थियो अनि यता टर्न गरिदियो.
Cottage Our lookout up there. Yeah, yeah, we're headed up to that lookout. The amazing Mount Baker on the background.
Look at there in behind. Oh man.
Looking at this rocky patch. Lookout is all the way over there. Mount Baker.
Share, like,
The beautiful view. View. Scenic hike. You can see mountains everywhere, and walking on a blue sunny day is really fun. Mount Baker Wilderness. It's amazing, Mount Baker. I'm gonna take a 360 view from here. It's really beautiful. You can see we're almost there to the lookout. Probably 10 more minutes. Amazing view. Really beautiful. All right, we're here at the lookout. It took exactly 2 hours to reach. As we are here at the top, now let's see what you can see from here. I'll go 360 degrees to show you the view from here. Prakash Adhikari. All right, hike leader Mr. Gagan.
Oh my god.
Baker.
Mount Baker, right? I mean, you care about Mount Butter?
But
Butte, Park Butte.
Butte Lookout.
I know the Park Butte.
Mount Baker with me. So this is the guy who's taking videos, okay?
Alright.
Here, let's see here. It's really amazing. So you're headed downhill. Really amazing view.
Youngest hiker of the group, Manu.
Hello. Look at this amazing view. These guys are having the time of their lifetime, guys. You guys should come here sometime if you have time.
There's a lake, guys. Snow.
Yeah, we should go and jump in that lake. It's really hot right now. Beautiful lake on the background.
Behind us.
It's
over there,
amazing.
it's come from all snow.
Look at this amazing Mount Baker. This hike is really cool right here. Look at all these people. It feels like we were a little early today. That's good. It's really flat. It's like walking on the park right now. Full wildflowers here. It's beautiful wildflowers. Railroad grade after the Butte Park. I'll look it to the top of that ridge. Looks really beautiful. We are going all the way down, and it's taking us all the way over there on the ridge. So it's going to be quite a struggle for us. Beautiful wildflowers. I think this season is really perfect for this kind of hikes. You can see beautiful mountain, beautiful people, and this beautiful wildflower. Himnadi bhante Nepalतिर यस्तालाई. It's really beautiful, guys. That's the shore. If you close your eyes for a split second, you might end up in that little stream there. Really amazing. Look at this. Really beautiful. Mr. Lokendra, handsome. This is nature at its absolute best. Really amazing. Feels like you are going to the Everest. these fellow hikers from Nepal. They're enjoying this beautiful hike. Look at this path. This narrow path that you have to walk through. You have to be very careful. It's interesting, and it's longer than I first anticipated, and it's all uphill. We're almost above the snow. You can see snow on both sides now. The view is really amazing. You can see mountains everywhere, and few Nepalese folks, nobody else. It's a quiet trail. The top here, our folks are over there on the other side. There are people camping over there. I guess they'll climb Mount Baker on the midnight. The folks are coming uphill. We are very close now. Hey guys, we are here at the top at the railroad crossing, railroad grade. We're on the background, there is a glacier. It's really windy here, but I feel it's really cool. Yeah.
That's the dangerous part of mountain area.
Yeah. That's the place that Gaganda is talking about. We're here at the Mount Baker railway grade top, and this is the carvass. This is a real glacier. Everyone is busy taking videos. It's amazing. It's that white all the way over there. I can see with my eyes, but the video, I don't know if it does justice. Ready to eat our breakfast, lunch. Another new hike and different lunch today. It's really good. Thank you everybody for bringing the amazing lunch. चिन्ताले ल्याएको अचार त बवालै हुन्छ नि फेरि ऐतिहासिकै हो. Yes, you're not in a picture. You're under pressure. People on the top, they're ascending this Mount Baker. It's really amazing. Start crossing this snow pass. People are now returning from this glacier. Ready to descend. It's a really nice view. Snow on both sides. Beautiful clear sky, and you can see mountains. There's Mount Rainier all the way on the back, but it's really difficult to see on this map. There is this frozen lake. You can see three clear states. One is white snow, one is like semi-liquid, and one is clear. Look at this. Hazur. गर्मीले मारे. अब आँखामा सनस्क्रिन दलेर अब पोल्यो भनेर सनस्क्रिन. It's a really narrow path here. Next year, if there is a lot of snow, this path might wash away. It's really dusty. It's really amazing. I think there might be a glacier up there, but it's all melted. Walking here in the shades, it feels much better to walk in the shades. Alright guys, we are now 1.5 miles from the trailhead. It has been a really great day. It has been really sunny and too much. really tall trees. We're almost there now. I can hear the stream here. We're gonna go in the stream and do some relax. Put our feet on this little stream here. Here in the water, putting our feet in this stream. It's really cold. As you can see, Okay. This is really, really cool. Guys are on the background there. Really amazing. Saying bye-bye to this stream. We had so much fun on this little stream. We're almost there. Almost there. Lokenruda is really happy, and we had so much fun on that little stream there. As we just finished our hike, it was total of 7 hours 35 minutes, 12.25 miles. It was so much fun, guys.
Mudit Bhai, Prakash Bhai for joining the hike today.
34,274? 2014?
2163 calorie and 1654 mile.
तपाईँकोले अलि बढी नै भने too much.